Notice how they're now, at least the Topeka National Weather Service office, is issuing severe thunderstorm warnings on this portion of the line. This one is now going through Jackson County, Kansas. There be Holton, there be Topeka, so there's Shawnee County, that is. So there is the continuation of this that's moving to the east, still holding together. This is what produced the 80-mile-an-hour winds. So it is getting closer and closer to the Kansas City metro. Maybe not as many red boxes, so we're not seeing tornado warnings coming from it, but we are definitely seeing the one signature they were concerned about, which are going to be winds at least 60, 70 miles an hour, in this case over 80-mile-an-hour wind gusts being reported by this small portion of the line. There are segments, there are other severe thunderstorm warnings up and down the line, as Nick was talking about, that'll probably stretch all the way from western portions of Iowa through Nebraska into Kansas and eventually into Missouri as well. A solid line, a squall line, if you will. Once it passes, things will calm down pretty quickly, but nonetheless, the anticipation is such that it's going to be getting closer and closer to the Kansas City metro and probably affecting us close to dusk, maybe a little after sundown. I would hope for our sake that it would be moving through before the sun would set. This is one of our models, our most trusted model. First look future scan, Neville just loaded it in, and actually I don't know if you had a chance to look at it, Neville, before loading it in. So this is going to be looking at us together, and between 9 and 10 is when it's going to cross pretty much anywhere from Caldwell County going toward Clinton, toward Clay, about ready to converge onto Jackson County on the Missouri side, Wyandotte, Leavenworth, Johnson County on the Kansas side, farther west as well into Franklin and Anderson County. This is now midnight. By then it would probably be more of a heavy rain event, but still embedded within here. Could be one of those notches that could produce a quick spin up. But notice how we're still not drying out until morning rush tomorrow, exactly like what we saw this morning. It was going for a long time, almost reminiscent of what happened over Trenton over the weekend, where they picked up 7 or 8 inches of rain. Not saying that's going to be what we're going to get, but it does show that we are going to at least have to worry about flooding as part of our laundry list of things. But still, taking top honors will be the damaging wind threat. Large hail comes in second place. Tornadoes as we get later and later in the evening, maybe not quite. At least this is Kansas City centric, by the way. Flash flooding, also a medium threat there. So it just once again shows you that we are going to have to deal with all 4 of these parameters during the course of the evening before we can finally put our guard down, and that's not going to happen until sometime tomorrow morning. So Tuesday and the rest of the work week look pretty calm by comparison, much cooler by comparison, which is why part of these thunderstorms are so strong. But also the next chance of rain, which is coming in, won't be until Thursday, and by then I don't think we're going to have all the ingredients coming together, because